Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's back at it again with another vlog. It's dark out. I'm starting off the vlog, so you already know what time it is. It's another 5 a.m. wake-up call. It's Friday today. Usually I'm not up this early or working at all on Friday, but due to some logistical issues, due to some logistical issues, I had to reschedule all my clients for Friday today, and I had to reschedule them for Friday. So I'm going to do my first session, which is at 6 a.m. and then I'm going to work out at Links, followed by 2 more sessions after that, and then still got to work on that deck, man. Still got to prepare for that. Anyway, I'm waiting for the bus, this 5:15 joint, and then we head in. So this client that I have coming in this morning, we've been training for about 3.5 years now. It's one of my old time and favorite clients. He's been traveling for a month now, and usually when he travels for that long, he comes back to me like stiff. He does have upper cross and lower cross syndrome, so we're gonna spend pretty much the first 20 minutes just opening up his T-spine and his hips. Then we're gonna get into some strength, some cardio, and stretch, and head out the door. Then I'm gonna get my workout in. All right, sun is coming out, poking out just a little bit. Walking over to Links now, going to bang out my session real quick, and then probably steam, because I need to loosen up my muscles. Been feeling a little bit tight, especially in the hips lately. So going to stretch, work out, steam a little bit, breakfast, come back here to the south end, wrap up 2 more sessions. Quick leg day workout, in, out. Shower, steam, breakfast, 2 sessions to go. My homegirl getting it in over there. Look who it is, the boy wonder, once again.
Did you get my lips? Good.
Get thin lips.
Those lips, baby. I've been getting Botox injections, so that's the thing that we do nowadays, the Jenners. I'm trying to be like the Jenners. I'm gonna get my ribs removed too.
A word?
Yeah, I want my waist to be like 24 inches, not 29.
Oh.
It just looks better on Instagram for the pics, you know?
Oh wait, what about Photoshop?
I don't even need that Photoshop when I can just get my ribs removed, bro.
You spend 30 grand as opposed to doing Photoshop?
Yeah, I want to look like it all the time. 24/7, look like I have a 24-inch waist.
Ooh, look at that vein, dude.
Vascular, dude.
Oh, look at the vascularity, man.
Shooting up. Speed's getting up there, Caesar Gene. Speed's coming up. It's going to just be 13, just an easy one at a 6% incline.
Oh.
Just 20 seconds. I just got to shake out the legs. I got to stay true to my recovery. True to my recovery. Build up speed for 3 seconds and then get 20 seconds straight.
All right.
See what we can do.
Let's go.
Should be going at 115. Ready? 2. Easy, Caesar.
Easy?
That's easy now.
Oh.
Woo! Bring it up to 14.
Bring it up to 14.
Max it out.
Wait, so what's
I'm a slave to the machine.
What's the protocol today?
Well, we did a little upper body French contrast training with an eccentric, big movement focus. Now we'll get 5 rounds in, 5 by 20 seconds on, 90 seconds off roughly. Put it at 6% incline. Probably be 14 miles per hour from here on out. Ooh. That's all they let me go to. Check it. Can't go up. Can't go up. Let me go up.
More than that, huh?
Can't go up. We'll let it build up, then we'll let it rip. Woo. Got the pants on. Feeling like Jeremy Warner. I don't know if you know who that is. You don't know who that is. He won an Olympic gold medal, 400 meter. It's no big deal. He was white.
That's a big deal.
It's a key word. He was white. You win that event. Here we go, CZ. Get that speed. More challenging.
I was 14 at 20.
14 for 20 seconds. A little bit over 20 seconds. I didn't give myself enough recovery. It's right up in my fucking face. Yeah.
In one sitting?
Like closer to 50, but you always go a little over. I try not to do more than 50 in a meal, but it's hard.
It's crazy. Yo, Pat's about to go for the final grand finale. Grand finale sprint. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's up there, let's go.
My legs. Yeah. Go.
Good shit, man. So what time are you done?
At the earliest, I'm done at 5. At the latest, 6:30.
All right, I'll hit you up. We're currently at Form in Bay Village. Checking up on the homie Perret. He's talking with the electrician right now. We just gonna catch up, see how the gym is doing, see how the neighborhood's treating them. You know what I mean? Great dude, great space. If you're looking for a trainer, hit me up, because this is where I will be located in the future. So awesome space. You'll make all your gains there. Right now I'm headed to Berkeley, going to link up with Lil Mama in August. We're gonna have some lunch and then hang out for the rest of the day. All right, guys, we are on the Berkeley campus at, where are we? Boston Burger Company. They just released this burger called the, let's see if we can focus, the Big Papi Burger. Look what all the goodness that they have on there. So I'm gonna give that a try because Lil Mama wanted to come here as opposed to getting one of the world famous buffalo chicken sandwiches this side of the Mississippi. But I'm just gonna be open to eating this Big Papi Burger. And look at my little man right over here. What are you getting, Dave?
Getting a buffalo burger. Buffalo burger.
Buffalo burger. She's getting the buffalo burger. Ooh, thank you. We're ready. I'm gonna have the Big Poppy, medium. Does it come with fries?
Fries are separate.
Okay, baked beans. Oh, Lena.
How are you going to eat that?
I don't know. Burger was good. Hot dog on the burger, not so good. I see what they were trying to do with the whole baseball theme hot dog thing, but it doesn't belong on that Big Poppy burger. Just put little man to bed for his afternoon nap and dog. Like last night, I was just tossing and turning, like just the thought of this deck thing just had me tossing and turning. My brain was just working on overdrive last night. So I basically was up, like as I would try to go to bed, I would wake up, input whatever ideas that came to mind with my notes, within my notes. So your boy was up since like 3 a.m. Like probably just got like 2 hours of sleep, just like jotting down notes and stuff, you know. So I don't even know if it was worth it, but hey, I'm gonna like copy and paste my notes into this Google Drive and like share it with the team, or like just let wifey revise it real quick before yikes. Anyway, I want to have Shorty revise it because she's a pro at this stuff, because she's done many decks before, and then send it to the team. Maybe link up with Pat later for dinner, who knows, but I'll keep you guys posted. So look at this dope, hold on. Look at this dope South by Southwest shirt wifey got me from her conference out there. Babe, what did you do? You was a presenter, right? Yeah. Yo, so in case you guys didn't know, I am married to a rock star. It's just the lucky stars. I know I'm cool enough as is, but being married to a rock star is like 10 times even more awesome, and then you get awesome perks like this. So I got like this awesome vintage South by Southwest sort of rock and roll t-shirt. I don't even know what you call it, but literally as soon as she pulled it out and gave it to me, I was like, I want that one. And instantly, out of all the t-shirts that she's gotten me, this is my favorite. So be prepared for me rocking this all the time. Probably get some like smelly pit stains, like break it in a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Anywho, okay, right now, so I just finished looking at the footage that I shot for the self-care ebook that I was writing. I didn't like the footage at all. And today when I was at Form, I was like, yo, I should shoot it here. You know, I should like literally make it a legit project, because people do need these sort of self-care practices. So why not, instead of just doing it strictly for my clients, why not actually do a full-on ebook where I can release it, and this could be like my very first low premium, I don't know if premium and low go together, but some sort of like a paid version for you guys, right? And it's not like I'm doing this to like get tons of money. Like the money would be good, you know what I'm saying? But it's more of the actual creation of this ebook, because the first ebook I released, it didn't do the numbers that I wanted to do, even though it was free. but I kind of want to see like if people show more interest in a paid product, especially if I'm going to put some sweat equity in. I just want to see if this is something that I should be pursuing further into the future, right? So one thing that I'm doing right now is going back to my website's back end. Now, when I'm in the back end, I just downloaded this PayPal plugin. So I want to just see if it works so that I can just sell the ebook strictly on my website, and it'll just be an easy PayPal button. You just buy now and it downloads into your hard drive, into your desktop, your phone, wherever that you purchase it from, right? So I'm just going to like be playing around with it this weekend to see, because I've never done this before. So research time, see exactly if one, the PayPal button would work if I need to upgrade. I ain't trying to do that. I'm just trying to get it so that it's like easy, one click, buy now, pay the fee, download, and that's it. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and editing some more videos, because that's what your boy does, right? Anywho, I forgot where I got that from. Damn, is it Sister? Might have been. Anyway, I'm dating myself. By the way, I did mention that I didn't sleep too much. So I'm going to finish this one thing, right? Still got to work on the deck, babe. And end this video here. So thank you for watching. Wasn't that crazy of a day. I'm tired, so I'm just going to wind down. There's only like 4 p.m. and your boy's already just like had enough. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla at your guala.